Oh, is it playtime?
Hey, we were giving you a head start.
Oh!
We're gonna come chase you down.
I was gonna follow you.
Oh shit, alright, let's go.
What's going on, guys? I am Watch JR Go, and today we have this garage that's a disaster, but there's a Huracan. And this is getting wild over here. We got Blaine's over here. Blaine over here, who's a ninja. You can see he just teleported. He's out riding the Grom, playing around. And this truck game over here is getting wild. Cody's new 18 Ram. And there's some fireworks in here. I'm just gonna open the door for you guys. Quite a few fireworks. Getting crazy over here. Man, this truck's dope. All right, Blaine's going for a ride. If you guys didn't know, it's 1 Bitcoin for a ride. Blaine is also the one that just bought level 2 graphics, and he has a couple Bitcoin laying around, so he offered just to hook Brian up with Bitcoin and a half today. So it was a cool deal.
It doubles every ride.
Every ride. One of these days, somebody's paying 10.
So hurry up.
With the headlights, these things are amazing, and I love my party lights.
Why you buy 5 Segways?
The turn signals are so cool. Going to the neighbors. All right, so not having headlights kind of sucks, but this is so cool. And it has turn signals, and it has party lights. Zach's full speed. Oh! Don't stop in front of me at full speed. I want a headlight too. It's so cool. Oh snap. Segway race. When the epic Segway race happens, this is gonna pop off. Check this one. I mean, there's just so many Segways for the race. 4th of July torches getting ready over here. Ah, that's what I'm talking about. It's the party Segway. Oh, turn signals, party mode. Turn signals, party mode. Party mode. All right, now I'm on the party Segway. This is the Mini Light instead of the Mini Pro or whatever. So check out the party lights. And it also has turn signals. You're gonna run into me!
Is that a camera?
It is. It is.
Oh. Hello!
What up, Max? All right, I know today was a short video because all we did was drive around and ride Segways, and we also picked up some fireworks. The fireworks were just outrageous what just happened.
Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep.
Where's your horn button? You gotta have a horn button.
Oh, he closed the garage door, really?
I closed the garage door. So anyway, today was a short video. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you guys next time.
Is my horn not working?
Whoa! I'm gonna die on this one. This one's...
Honk, honk.